Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. This is the 2017 Ford Mustang that we've been working on. What many of you, if you're looking into this car, one of you will be looking at, one thing is heated seats as well as front sensors. Ford Mustangs work within what's called custom packs. On the lower spec Mustangs, what you get is still the phenomenal 5-litre engine, but what they don't come with is this heated seats and front parking aids. But don't worry, you can still buy that car if you found the right colour, you found your dream car. Don't worry, we can kit it out with exactly how you want it. So what we've added is heated seats, which go into the factory seats, and nothing's really visible at all other than one little switch. And then the front sensors. We'll show you that the flush fit sensor, really cool looking. So what I'm going to do is just show you around the vehicle now. We'll start with the front sensors. Basically what we use is a Cobra flush fit sensor. I've done another video on how they exactly work, but this will basically talk you through that as well. So as you can see in this absolutely stunning grey colour, we've got a 4-head system here, and that's the sensor there. Second sensor's there, and then going all the way across. So these are perfectly measured across. Really clear, really neat finish as well. You wouldn't be able to tell they weren't factory. So what I'm going to do now is just going to show you the heated seats. So if we step inside the vehicle, so this has got the lovely tan interior. So they do different specs, and it doesn't really matter whatever colour interior you've got. And then as you can see just down here, we've got a little switch. So on the switch, if we push down, they go onto a low setting. Up is onto a high setting. Typically when you're driving along, when you get in your car on a cold winter's morning, you put it on the high, and a nice comfortable setting is on the low, and you can use that while you're just driving along. And then just off like that. So really simple, easy to use. Main thing is also we position them on this panel here, mostly because when you're sitting in the seat, it's really easy just to flick them on, and you're not having to think too much about anything. The sensors work just by an audible tone as well, so a really nice looking solution. And that's the seat being put back together. So what we do in terms of the actual install is remove all this leather work. We lay a pad underneath, and as you can see, the finish is sublime. You literally can't tell that we've been there at all. You get a really manufacturer look and standard. So for more details on any of these systems for the Ford Mustang, if you're looking to upgrade your Mustang and get the features that you were missing from maybe another vehicle, feel free to get in touch with us. Another really cool thing that we do, whether you have the Sync 2 system or Sync 3 system, is integrated reversing cameras. I've done another video on a white Ford Mustang, which basically shows an integrated solution for the reversing for a forward camera that goes onto the screen. So on the vehicle, the bonnet raises quite a lot. It just gives you that extra little bit of visibility. We can do that alongside the front sensors as well. So for more details on any of these systems, feel free to get in touch with us. Our team are more than happy to help. And we work on these sorts of vehicles day in, day out. So feel free to get in touch. Make sure you get having your work done by the professionals here at CBS. Contact number for you guys is 01223 56 30 30. All our installs get carried out in our lovely bespoke workshop facilities and showroom. So get in touch, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.